opening the parcels I've received till now. Now मुझे ये parcels receive हुए हैं क्योंकि जान लगा रही है पैकिंग करने में। I think I've noticed is कि लेंथ वाइज मीशो के टॉप्स बहुत बड़े आते हैं। If you are going to the office, you're not going to buy, please don't invest in such tops. सेम अच्छा नहीं है। क्वालिटी वॉज सो बैड एंड इट वॉज सो ट्रांसपेरेंट। ये टॉप मैंने ऑर्गेनिक पे देखा था पहली बार, दिस इज नॉट द सेम एक्चुअली। हेलो गाइज, दिस इज महक एंड वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज मैं करने वाली हूँ अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ द पार्सल्स आई रिसीव थ्रू आउट द वीक। सॉरी, सारे पार्सल्स नहीं आए हैं अभी तक, बट मीशो के थोड़े ऑर्डर्स बाकी है, मिंत्रा के थोड़े ऑर्डर्स बाकी है आना, एंड अमेजोन से थोड़े ऑर्गेनाइजर्स वगैरह आना बाकी है। मी बीइंग मी, मुझे पार्सल्स जैसे ही आते हैं वैसे ओपन करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और नेक्स्ट डे मैं पहन भी लेती हूँ। सो मेरे से रहा नहीं जा रहा है। सो आई एम ओपनिंग द पार्सल्स आई हैव रिसीव्ड टिल नाउ मुझे ये पार्सल्स रिसीव हुए हैं। So let's quickly get into the unboxing thing and I will also try it and show it to you guys. Let's go. Also 2-3 PRs भी आए हैं मुझे जो इधर उधर पड़े हैं. So let's not get into it. This is a off-shoulder white top that I've ordered from Meesho. Oh god. क्योंकि जान लगा रही है पैकिंग करने में इन लोगों ने। मीशो का पैकिंग इतना अच्छा कब से होने लगा? अच्छा किया है, ऑर्गेनिक जैसा पैकिंग है। एनीवेज, दिस इज एन ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप। Oh god, this is a cream color. I was expecting a white color. Anyways, the quality looks good. It's hosiery of course. And ये मुझे पड़ा 330 rupees का on Meesho. Ordered this top in M size. So ऐसे वो soft girl, cottage, core types में this is M size. I guess this will fit me well. This top looks good. It's giving that cottage core vibes. I was supposed to pair it with like a skirt, white skirt, but I'm running out of time because the sunlight might go any time. So yeah, this is the fit. So it's not crop top. Quality wise and the fit wise, it's good. It's giving that cottage core girly thing. It's looking pretty. Tell me in the comments if I should keep this top or return, because I'm having second thoughts. Second parcel I received from Meesho. I don't know what this is. Let's just open and see. Oh yeah, this is a tank top. See? Oh god. सारा इधर ही लगा दिया है. I was supposed to shoot like 2-3 reels today, but me being me, I'm just tired of going to the terrace and shooting, and plus अभी 6 o'clock 6:30 हो गए हैं, so the sunlight might go any time, and जब तक मैं terrace जाऊँगी तब तक तो sunlight भी चला जाएगा, so there's no point in going to terrace right now. So, this is a brown tank top. I was expecting a better quality, but it's a little see-through. Anyways, ये थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है मुझे. I don't know. The quality I would say is okayish, but I was expecting a crop top, which was shown in the picture, but it's not a crop top. Anyways, it doesn't look bad. It's my size also. It's comfortable. These tops are good for summers. Anyways, हम तो बस ऑफिस जाते हैं पूरे वीक, एंड उसमें ऐसे टॉप्स तो नहीं पहन सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू द ऑफिस, यू नॉट गोइंग टू बाय, प्लीज डोंट इन्वेस्ट इन सच टॉप्स. Fabric, as you can see, it's not that great. Also, I was expecting a crop top, but I don't think this is cropped in any way. You can make it crop. The crop would look prettier. So this, I think they have put 2 tops in this. Yeah, there are 2 tops inside this. There's a zipper neck top in white color and lace dori knitted pink top. Both of them costed around 500 rupees for both of them. Bhai Sahab. This is again a soft girl cottage core types of top I've ordered. These tops are trending right now with a pretty detailing, lace detailing on the neck and a bow. It looks cute. The quality is also good. I guess it's big in size. All the products I feel are bigger in size. But anyways, we'll try. I guess it will fit me comfortably. This is very cute. I did not expect such a good quality and such a pretty color in 200 rupees. Obviously, you can see how pretty, and it's not transparent. So जब भी मैं मीशो से ऑर्डर करती हूँ, one thing in my mind always is that it will be transparent or either the quality will be bad because they're selling in such cheap prices. But to my surprise, this time it was not the same. Quality is obviously better than before. I have had 2 bad experiences when I shopped from Meesho previously. So pehle when I shopped from Meesho, I got a very bad quality a white top which I don't wear obviously. It was just for 200 rupees, but the quality was so bad and it was so transparent. But now they have literally improved on that, and also the packaging is very good. This is the 4th top. This is also the same soft girly cottage core types. I love this top, the neck detailing of lace and the bow at the center. It looks so cute and it's breathable. It has a soft fabric. It's not see-through, and like it's a 10 on 10 buy product. It's for 300 or 400, but it's worth buying it. Color is damn nice. ये टॉप मैंने Urbanic पे देखा था पहली बार, but this is not the same actually. So I was expecting a better quality, a better top, because so जो टॉप दिखाया गया था मीशो के ऐप पे, it was completely different. But this one, I don't feel it's the same. And also इधर से, anyways, so this has a zipper which can be opened from below and also above. So ऐसे करके we can style this top with a lot of things, and being white, but it's not transparent. It's good. Also ये भी मैंने M size में order किया है. This top looks something like this. It does not look nice on me. It's very body hugging. I can close the zip and I'll be fine. But I don't like these sleeves, and actually the material is quite cheap. It's something that you would get in Parla West or a Hill Road for 100 rupees. So I don't think this is worth buying. So I will be returning this top. Style is good. So the zip you can adjust and make it a crop top or something, and it looks good. This top I had ordered from Myntra and it looks so pretty. It's actually a pretty top, and if you style it with like a white pants or a white skirt, something like that, it would look very good. It would look very pretty. I received this top 2 days back, and me being me, I couldn't wait. So I opened the parcel and tried it because I thought that वो size मुझे fit नहीं होगा, या तो कुछ तो issue रहेगा sizing में, but it's perfect. Also मैंने notice किया है जब भी I ordered something from Stylecast and Sleek on Myntra, it's amazing. The fit is amazing. The quality is amazing. The quality, it's superb. So you should go ahead with that. Moving on to Myntra. मैंने order किए boots in white color. So ये बार मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस पे मिला ये. So last time when I saw on Myntra, this same boots were for around 2000 something, 2500 जितना. But this time I got it for 999 only. Obviously, they look pretty. These are the boots. Guys, please ignore the mess here. I can't do anything about that. Oh, the MRP is 4500. If you can see, the MRP is literally 4500. It's from a brand called Messine, but the quality is too good and it has a heel here. So let's try it out. Also, I was very keen on ordering boots because we can style it literally with everything. So मैंने जो मैंने एक्चुअली गलत साइज ऑर्डर किया था इसमें. देन आई ऑर्डर्ड इट अगेन एंड हमेशा मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम मिला है, ये चेन अच्छा नहीं है, उसको खुलने ही टाइम लगता है. लेट्स सी द साइज. टाइट बन चुका है बिकॉज आई एम वेयरिंग दीज बूट्स एंड कंफर्टेबल तो नहीं है. आई डोंट नो माई साइज मैन. आई ऑर्डर्ड इट ट्वाइस now, but it's still थोड़ा tight and my foot size is huge. So as you can see, it's looking good but it's not comfortable. This is how they look. They look good. The last parcel I have is from Myntra again. These are from a brand called as Iconics. These were too costly when I saw it before, and now they were like around $8.99. Oh, these are called as loafers, I guess. These are like office shoes or like just to style from some outfit. The MRP is 2000 again. I got it for $8.99 only. We gotta try this. I hope this is my size. It feels it's big. Quality wise, it's too good. The leather and the texture, it feels rich while looking at these. Nobody can tell that these shoes are just for $8.99 because the quality is really good. As you can see, it looks good. They look good but they are loose. So maybe if I wear socks with it, it will be fine.
So that was it for the video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.